Hello everybody, this is George Ponder for WPCentral.com, here to bring you a video review of the Windows Phone 7 game Bubble Birds. Now, there are two versions of Bubble Birds. You've got the Premium Edition and the Standard Edition. Standard is free, ad supported. Premium Edition is a pay app. It's running at $1.99. Beyond that, there's no difference. Gameplay is the same, levels are the same. Walk you through the game. You basically have several rows of colored birds, and what you do is tap the screen to launch birds out of the bottom basket, and you're trying to line up 3 or more of the same colored birds. And as you go along, these birds will progress down. And at target, you just tap the screen the direction you want the birds to go, and that's where they're thrown. And a nice thing about it, you can bounce them off the side walls, ricochet them off the corners. And as you get up in score, things progress a little faster. And you have a psychedelic or tie-dye colored bird that'll mimic the color it lands on. It's an entertaining game, not very fast-paced as you start out, but it speeds up as you go along. Again, there are two versions, the free version and the pay version, and they're both available over at the marketplace.